is a nonprofit here in New York City working with moms who are currently in prison and jails, and we ensure that while they are serving out their sentence, they remain connected to their children. When that mom is released, we're providing housing, mental health support. We run a food pantry and 2 thrift stores in Queens. So the problem that we have over 80 residents within our houses, and they have questions that they need staff to answer. And while some of these questions seem to you and me, they're like non-important questions, these are questions that are life-changing for our clients, right? For our staff, we need our staff to be engaged in more meaningful conversations so that they don't have to be bogged down with these repetitive questions. So we saw an opportunity for AI to help to meet that so that our clients can get real-time answers in the moment. So our solution, our children's custom AI assistant. What we were able to do is to provide a platform for our residents to go and ask any question that they want about the program. They're able to get their answers in real time, and it reduces the staff repetitiveness, right? Answering the same questions over and over again. So this is what we're working on improving. So, looking at what we did through the program, we have to understand that accuracy is what's going to build trust. So we have to make sure that this platform is going to have accurate information so that our clients can get the right information to make the right choices. We want to make sure also that the GPT has, its interface is really natural, right? It doesn't sound like the client is talking to a robot, so it has natural responses. And we want to make sure that the answers that it provides are the answers that they would get when they talk to the staff. But there were some learnings, right? Again, building the prompts. We went through a lot of configurations back and forth on what the prompt should be. Sometimes we got the right answers and sometimes we didn't, so we're still testing that out. We also learned that there was limited collaboration here. The person that created the GPT, they were the ones that only had access to the back end, so it's hard for other people to provide updates as we make changes to the program. And we kind of underestimated the needs. This means that every time we make a change to a program, every time we change a workflow, we have to update new documents so that the clients can get the most up-to-date information. So what are our next steps? We're going to continue to pilot this and improve it. We're going to roll it out to a small group of clients to test it, get their feedback, and then we'll expand and refine the content, define the implementation approach, and then establish who is going to own this once we roll it out. Thank you very much.